All right, you guys, today we're talking about hiking and running and why those are two common activities to have issues with urinary leakage. So for one thing, they're really common activities, especially out here in Phoenix with beautiful weather like 8 months out of the year. And so people do often like to hike, walk, and run. So those are very common for leaking because hiking with the hills and running a more jarring motion, and sometimes too just the prolonged weight bearing and pressure on the pelvic floor. So that's one really common thing. We've even had a client who only leaked going downhill. Actually also had a client who mostly struggled with uphill. And so that might be very confusing and frustrating. And so we talk a lot about those angles of tension and strengthening and the relationship between the core and the pelvic floor and how important that is. So stay tuned, because in the next video I'm going to try to give you some really practical tips about what you can do if you are experiencing leakage during that time, besides just wear a pad, because who wants to do that?